In this video, I'm going to talk about Lab 3 in CIS30A, number exercise 2. I am not going to cover exercise 1 as it would be very close to the example, and also comments are included in the actual exercise itself. So if you take a look at my part 1 lecture video and also the notes, that's going to help you write exercise number 1. For exercise number 2, you're given letters 1 to contain D, E, F, G, and letters 2 contain H, I. We are to write a Python program that includes the following tasks. Number 1, copy the content of the letters 1 to letter 3 set. Display the letters 1 set. Then we're going to add the content from letter 2 to letters 1 set. Display the updated letters 1 set. Then third, we're going to display the difference between letters 1 and letters 2 set. And then next, we're going to remove I from letter 1 set. Then we're going to print the number of items in letter 1 set. And we then lastly use discard to eliminate E and I from letters 1 set, then print the content of the set. So to illustrate this, first we are using what's been given to us in exercise 2. So letters 1, we have D, E, F, G. We initialize that set for letters 1. And then letters 2 is a mutable set which has H and I. So the first step is to copy letter 1, and to make a copy, I'm just going to put it onto letters 3. So I have letters 3 is equal to letters 1 dot copy. So the content that was copied is going to be put into letters 3 set. Then we first going to print letters 1 and letters 3. So when we run this, we would see that letters 1 and letters 3 should be exactly the same. So what you have is when you do a built-in copy of the set, it simply shows what the location as it would be a shadow copy. Then next, what we're going to do is we're going to add the H and we're going to add the I. So after we added the H and I, we are going to display the updated letters 1 set. So next we are going to add the H and add the I, and we are going to display. So as you notice, it's going to add in HI here, as it would be the original set would be DEGF. Okay. And then next, what we're going to do is we are going to look at the difference between letters 1 and letters 2. So we are going to find the items that are in letters 1 but not in letters 2. So in letters 1, we notice that we have D, E, G, and F, as it would be all different from letters 2 set. They are completely disjointed. Then next we are going to remove the I from letters 1, and we are going to print it. So here at this stage, the I is removed from that set. Then next we are going to print the length of letters 1, which is 5. And then after that, we are going to go ahead and discard the E. So we're using the discard method, and we are going to get rid of the E. After that, we're going to go ahead and print. So from here, we had 5 for the length, and then when we discard the E is now gone from that set. It's letters 1 set. Then next we are going to discard the I, but recall that we already removed the I from the last one. So when we discard the I here, it does nothing because I no longer exists. So when we discard the I, that would be like doing nothing here. And then we would go ahead and print out the set. So just to encapsulate, we first made the copy of the set, put it onto letters 3, show that it is a copy. We added HI, we reprint the update for letters 1, then we look at the difference from letters 1 to letters 2, and since they're completely disjointed, it shows everything from letters 1. And then we remove the I, we print the updated after we remove the I here. We printed the length, which is the number of items in that set, which is then at that point will be 5. We discard the E, we reprint the set without the E. We discard the I, which we previously did, so it didn't do anything there. And when we reprint, it's exactly the same as the previous step output. So that concludes Lab 3 Exercise 2, using mutable sets based on the given exercise requirement.